always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Hi everybody, we're looking good for the next couple of days. The rain is done and we have begun our drying process. Some areas still underwater, so that is going to be helpful. Upwards of 8 inches in many locations, anywhere from 3 to 6 in others. That's the lowest end of the accumulations that we had since Monday. Saharan dust has now moved in. The area of low pressure has moved out, so that combination, not just the Saharan dust, has allowed for rain chances to go away for the most part for the next couple of days. Very isolated rain chances tomorrow, and then about a 20% chance of inland showers on Friday. But coverage for the weekend does return, so weekend afternoon storms will be with us. You can see this plume that's just coming directly at us here, and we've been watching the pictures across the islands over the last several days. Hazy yellow skies, and so essentially that's going to be with us tomorrow. Now today was hard to see because it was raining, but I think tomorrow you wake up and throughout the day, because we'll have plenty of sunshine, we'll have that hazy appearance to the sky. And of course this is dry air when you talk about dust like that, and so that will limit rain chances almost entirely for tomorrow. 10% is it, and then we'll start the climb up to 30. We're holding it there for the weekend. Just looking at typical sea breeze thunderstorms, there's nothing to enhance the rainfall or the coverage of the storms until we get into early next week with a frontal boundary dropping south. Not a completely same scenario that we had this week, but similar in that when you get a boundary like that, you get pooling of moisture, and so that allows the thunderstorms to be just more efficient rainmakers. And so, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will likely have more accumulating rainfall than we will for the next few days. Temperatures are back. Average for this time of year is 89. Will only be a couple of degrees above that or just about there. The humidity, though, will make it feel like the mid and upper 90s. So the heat and the feels like temperatures are back. Rip currents are also back. High rip current risk for your Thursday, and we're looking at 2 to 3 foot waves out there. Low 80s for the water temperature. It's come down about, I would say, like 6-7 degrees just because of all the rain we've gotten last couple of days. It'll start warming up again for the next 48 hours. Looking pretty good for the Atlantic waters. Small craft caution there, just a little bumpy. Otherwise, Florida Keys no alerts. And there's your 7-day forecast with rain chances coming down big time. Almost gone tomorrow, 20 Friday, and then 30% coverage for the week.